Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota Highlander headlight bulb. Before we begin, it's important to gather your tools, including a new bulb and a screwdriver. Always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. For safety, wearing protective gloves is a good idea to prevent any oils from your skin from getting onto the new bulb's glass, which can shorten its lifespan. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. First, open the hood of your Highlander and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently disconnect this connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Depending on your model, there might be a dust cover or retaining clips that need to be removed to fully access the bulb. Take your time with these steps. With the old bulb exposed, it's time to remove it. Carefully twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. It should then pull straight out. When handling the new bulb, remember to avoid touching the glass part with your bare hands. Hold it by the base. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the slots in the housing and gently push it into place, ensuring it's seated securely. Almost done. Once the new bulb is firmly in place, reattach the electrical connector. Make sure it clicks securely. Then, replace any dust covers or retaining clips that you removed earlier. Before you close the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working correctly. This quick check ensures everything is properly connected and illuminates your path safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.